Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to make a handwriting animation video. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. To create animated handwriting videos for your YouTube channel or for your content, you can go to this video scribe. So go to this, and this can create you many animated videos very easily. We're gonna explore it in today's tutorial. So we want to choose this free trial. As of now, click on this free trial, and you need to just give a few of the details, and you can just download it. So let me just quickly fill these details. So once you have entered these things and you have created your account, now you're good to go. So here we have two options, that is you can just get this video scribe for your browser, or else this is the fastest way to get started with video scribe, or else you can just go for the video scribe for your desktop. So this can have all these advanced features for you, for whiteboard animation and all. So let us just choose this as of now, as we are more enthusiastic towards this whiteboard animation. Here we are on the video scribe after I just logged in. So we have to use the credentials that we have used when we are dealing with the browser, and now we need to enter them back. So once it is done, we could see something like this, and let me just say this. So here we have a few of the templates that you can use. So here this shows some of the templates. I can just choose one from this. Let me just choose this inspiring woman one, and also you can see something like your recent scribes. If you have any, it will be showing over here. So as of now, I'll just go with the templates, and I want to choose this inspiring woman, or we can even just go for creating a new scribe. So that could also be a good way. So by creating a new scribe, I can just show you how you can do it from the scratch for your own content, because the things that suits your content might not be always present in the templates. So it is that we need to make our own templates and our content which can suit us. So we'll just start by exploring all the things that are present over here on this video scribe. So this one is the 6 days of free trial. So after this, you have to this is just a free trial, so you can just see how you can build them. Let's say that you want to you can just go for this images, and let's say you want to add an image of a person, a professional, a business man, we can say. So you can just browse by category, which categories you want, like your arrows, your buildings. These are common stuff. And if you go to my images, you can just browse the images and you can add them. But as of now, I want to search it from the Google. So let me just go, and let me just give some search item like a business man. Let's say, click on go, so that we could find few of the suggestions which we can use. And here I find that this is the perfect one for me. Let me click on this, and here you go with this. And let's say that I want to give something text, some text that says that okay, I say that 5 ways to improve productivity, maybe. So I think that this should be my uh, title. So I can just go for something like this, text regular or something light. So I want to make it to be something regular, and I can add something like these all fonts, anything that you want, but I feel that this is good. And this alignment and the colors also you can choose. As of now, okay, let me just go for this green color. And once you are done with it, all the changes, click on this, and here you can find it. You can just drag to adjust this. It's very simple. And here we have something like you can add a chart also with some values and all. So this is something that you might use optionally, but this option is also present. So once we are done with these things, And we can do one more thing, like we can use the music to our video. So there are few of the musics that you can use, and you can even give the voiceover to your video. So any, obviously if you are creating content, you want to say something to your subscribers, your followers, you need to give some voiceover or some music, so whatever it is. And you even have some of this background options which you can choose from. So I just want it to be this particular, or you can go for this to see the change. And here we have this scribe hand that is like how is it supposed to be written. So as of now, let me, we can just keep it to be no hand also, but for a change we will give it something like this. So we can see how the preview is like this. So I'm good with it, so I will go for it also. And this is play from start, and this is play from current element. So you can just see my background got changed from plain to something like this. And now let me just play this one. And here you can see how it is getting played, and now you know how you can create this kind of animated handwritten things for your content. So this is how this is written. So very easy, isn't it? Yes. And this do have this watermark also when you're having your free trial. So once you just get this subscription, you can just get it for free. You can once you your trial will be free with with this watermarks. And once you get the subscription, you can just get it without these watermarks and all. So this is how you can create your animation with a handwriting animation for any of your content. And you can, like, this is just a sample. If you want to add few more pages, you can add them. So let me just make it like this, and I can just add it like how many ever pages I want to add, I can add them. And one more thing that you can do is you can just go to this element, you can right click on it, go to the properties, and here you can see that you can set the speed of animation and the transition and the pause. You can increase the animation speed, and you can update the image, and there are many more options, the graphic filters and the drawing hand thing. These all things you can just change it. So this could be quite helpful for you to adjust things and make it customized for your own content. So this is all for this video, guys, and I hope you found this video useful to you. To get this full access to this video scribe, you need to go check its pricing. So I'll be mentioning the link in the description so that you can just go check this out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.